Hello everyone, today I'm going to try to teach you how to multiply functions. So there's a couple methods to this. There's a box method that looks like this. There's a method called FOIL, which is an acronym for first, outer, inner, and last. And there's also another method where you put one equation on top and plus another equation and then do your answer. Now let's try. I'm going to put an example up. You can choose whichever one you want when we do our practice problems. This is just what I'm going to teach you in each method. So I'm going to choose a problem like 3x plus 5 in one parenthesis. There's usually 2, there could be 3. But for beginning problems, there's usually 2. 3x plus 5 in one parenthesis and 4x plus 3 in another. Now, let's use the box method first, since I put that in first. We have to put, for example, 3x plus 5 on one, at the top, and 4x plus 3 on the other side. It could be vice versa. You choose the order. I'm not gonna tell you what order. Now we just multiply. So 4x times 3x is 12x squared. So that will be in the top left box. 4x times 5 is 20x. 3 times 3x is 9x. And 3 times 5 is 15. Now we have to add like terms. 20x plus 9x is 29x. So our final answer, you write it in descending order. So from greatest exponent to lowest exponent will be 12x squared plus 29x plus 15. We're going to use the same problem for every method, and we're going to see if we get the same answer, which is 12x squared plus 29x plus 15. So now we're going to use the FOIL method. So we write our two functions again. Now, when we use FOIL, it means we multiply. So the first few numbers in each parenthesis, 3x and 4x, that's 12x squared. And we basically do the distributive property for both of the numbers here. So 3x times 4x, and now 3x times 3, which is 9x. Now 5 times 4x, which is 20x, and 5 times 3, which is 15. So I just multiplied 3x to the other two numbers here, and 5 to the other two numbers here. Now you also add the like terms here, and you get 12x squared plus 29x plus 15. Now for the final method, which is shown right there. This is basically when, it's multiplying. It's when you basically do FOIL in a different way. So I'm gonna just do it where I put the box method. So 3x plus 5 times, and then the other two numbers, 4x plus 3. And you basically put it in the same, it's just like multiplying. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3x is 9x. And now you do the other two. So you basically just go down, and now do it for 4x. 4x times 5 is 20x. And 4x times 3x is 12x squared. So usually, if you were doing it regular multiplication, there would be a 0 there. Now you also add like terms. 12x squared, 9 and 20x is 29x, and 15 plus 0 is 15. So these are the three methods for multiplying different functions. And now let's do a couple practice problems. I mainly use FOIL, so as long as you get the same answer, then you get it correct. And I'm gonna return when I get those equations back. Okay, I got 4 problems on the board. They're both all of them are a little difficult in their own way. The last one, I put a challenge question. I'll just read the problems one at a time, and you should try to do it on your own by pausing the video and then just return back to the video when you're finished doing it. So the first problem is 15x plus 4 in one parenthesis, and the other parenthesis is 10x plus 2. I'm going to use FOIL. So 15x times 10x is 150x squared. 15x times 2 is 30x. 4 times 10x is 40x. And 4 times 2 is 8. So I just have to add the like terms. So I get 150x squared plus 70x plus 8. That should be the same answer that you got if you did it yourself, which you should, because you get better practice. Now, let's do the other problem. 20x plus 5 and 3x plus 10. I'm going to use FOIL again. And I guess for the last two, I may want to use box, just to show you that it doesn't matter what order you get in as long as you get the answer. And you can use a different method if you want. So 20x times 3x is 60x squared. 20x times 10 is 200x. 5 times 3x is 15x. And 5 times 10 is 50. I just have to add the like terms. So 200x plus 15x is 215x. So my final answer is 60x squared plus 215x plus 50. Now for the last two, I may want to use the box method. Number 3, 9x plus 13 and 4x plus 7. So I'm going to use the box method. At the top, I'm just going to put 9x and 13. And on the left side, I'm going to put 4x plus 7. So, let's see. 4x times 9x is 36x squared, right? 4x times 13. I don't completely know that off the top of my head, so I'm just going to write it down. Is 52x. 7 times 9x is 63x. And 7 times 13 is 91. I just have to add like terms, so I'm just gonna pre-write what my answer basically is. And now I have to do 52 plus 63, which is 115. X, of course. Okay. For the last one, it may be difficult to do the box method, but really, you just want like a 3x3 square. Since one of the terms does have, oh sorry, my bad, is like a 3x2. It would be 3x3 if both of them had 3. Okay, so I'm going to put 3x squared plus 7x plus 4 at the top, and 2x plus 5 on the left side. So 3x squared plus 7x plus 4 on the top, and 2x plus 5 on the side. So 2x times 3x squared, I know that that's 6x cubed. 2x times 7x is 14x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. Now let's do for 5. Multiply 5 to each term. 5 times 3x squared is 15x squared. 5 times 7x is 35x. And 5 times 5 times 4 is 20. Now all I have to do is add like terms. So 6x cubed doesn't have any like terms. I see that 14x squared and 15x squared are like terms, which that is 39x squared. And 35 and 8x, both of them are x, are like terms. So that will be 43x. And 20 is a constant, so that will just be 20. Please let me know if you did get similar answers in the comment section down below. I hope this video helped you. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you all next time. Bye!